Hi everyone, this is Creed83 and today I'm bringing you Noob. That's right. This has always been a bit of an exciting box, and this month's theme is 7 deadly sins. So there will be 7 items in here, one for each of the sins. And I honestly don't know what they could give us for the sins, but that's the excitement and surprise from it all, I suppose. And it's a bit hard to get into today. There we go. Right then, let's see what we got. We've got the 7 deadly sins. Okay, we got Crimson Peak coming out, American Horror Story, and Spectre, new James Bond. And next month is Femme Fatales. That could be a good one. Got some tissue paper. Okay, first thing we got is the Pat by Sam and 7 Deadly Sins pin. Out the way! Got the t-shirt. Loki, who's green, so green with envy. That's pretty cool. My first one. Avengers Age of Ultron Pocket Pop. The Incredible Hulk. Yay! Got some 007 movie poster playing cards. Got a bit of a bladder. So I'm guessing that they will be all posters from the movies on the cards. I'm not going to open them up because I quite like them being in there film. So this is very good. For Sloth they give us, hey you guys, Sloth from the Goonies. I do love the Goonies. What's this? I'm guessing for Wrath. 300 Rise of an Empire card holder. Got a movie bit there, and then we got the Stand, Fight and Die. That's pretty cool. Got some Breaking Bad vinyl stickers. And I think we have just one item left. Cold. Well, that's really cool. It's a sugar spoon in the shape of a skull. And when it's got sugar on it, it looks like that. That's pretty nifty, that is. But I think that is everything inside. So, let's recap. We got the 300 card holder, the James Bond playing cards, the Avengers Age of Ultron Pocket Pop, which I will not be using as a pocket pop, I will be keeping this case. The 7 Deadly Sins badge, the sugar spoon, the Breaking Bad stickers, the Hey You Guys patch, and finally the Loki t-shirt. And that is this month's Noob Cube. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.